Welcome guys to another video of 4 display 7 segments. So now we're gonna use a 4, not 1, that's 4. We're gonna use this in the rest of jumping cables, resistors, and the Raspberry Pi. So we're gonna start building this. So we're gonna use a little faster. So let's put it. We're gonna connect this. Always be careful putting the pins on the breadboard. We have had a chance of breaking down or bending. And if it breaks one of the pins, forget it, that's damage. We don't want that. We're gonna all separate here so we can able to see the result after putting the cord. We're gonna connect all this nicely. I'm going to connect all these pins in this breadboard. Always double checking the wall because sometimes you pull a wrong pin and then the port line doesn't work and you get a chance of getting back. Connect this. Okay, we're gonna need some more jumper cables for this break. Always double check the work. Sometimes you get a chance of careful putting the pin. I'm having trouble right here checking the display. So we're gonna take all these people. So they're confused. We're gonna start again. We're gonna resist it, we're gonna put it back again. So always checking your display, the breadboard, the pins connection, and your diagram where you did the project. We're connecting everything here nicely, able to connect correctly for the pins. We're gonna need a little more jumping cables before start using this project. You can use it as timer. You can use it as pressing a letter and then it's gonna display here. It's up to you. Only shows from each pin, each 7 segment shows 0 to F, the hex and numbers. We're almost finished. We need a little more jumping cables here. More jumping cables here. We are ready. We need like 3 jumping cables. We need more jumping cables to connect all this display to the right on the Raspberry Pi. We're getting close to making sure Bay Area for me. I went last year to the New York one. It's fun to see. So we are done. So we're gonna check close how it looks. Nicely. We're able to see everything. Right connections. Now we're gonna go to the computer and write the code. Everything's correct. Always the points go on the bottom, not the top. It means if you're gonna use power, always is on the bottom. So if you're on the computer, you're gonna run the coding section now. I'm using Python right now. For this series, I'm using Python. For future project, we're gonna use C for Arduino. Now we're gonna write the code. It's gonna go a little faster because it's a big chunk of time. we're gonna use this line, and after that we're doing a little faster. Able to see to run the program. We are almost done. We are putting every command, displaying every pin in the right spot before running. Always when you finish coding, doing a project, always double check your line, your code line, because I'm just small letter, small parentheses, small comma, make fake on the program and able to run it correctly. For simple stuff. Yeah, for advanced, you need to double check if everything's running correctly. We almost finished right here, and after that we're gonna run the code. We are putting every segment in every definition of group, so we can able to run define by define. Always we're gonna do one space for the define. We're gonna do double space. We're gonna finish this. Finish the code and double checking everything is correct. So we're gonna run the program. We show a little error. We're gonna fix it right here. I caused some part because he made a lot of different errors, but now see what's wrong. So we're gonna run the program. We're gonna run the program. We're gonna show on the display. We're gonna press a letter. And after that we're gonna show. So we're gonna go back to the 4 segments and able to see. We stop it and we go. We're gonna check on the segment how it works. Because I hope you like this video. Any question you can comment below this video and subscribe. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to continue watching this series. And this is the result of this project. I show 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, and the letters. We are only able to put numbers.